Alright, let's dive into the enchanting world of Japanese origami. You only need a square sheet of paper and a dash of curiosity. No fancy tools, no glue. I promise you'll be folding magic in your hands before you know it. So let's start with the classic origami crane, the symbol of hope and peace in Japan. First, fold your paper diagonally, corner to corner, making a triangle. Unfold and do the same with the other corners. You should see an X crease when you open it up. That's your guide. Next, flip the paper and fold it in half, edge to edge, both ways. Unfold. Now here's where the magic kicks in. Bring the corners together and squash it down into a smaller square. This part always feels like a mini puzzle, but trust me, you've got this. Now, with the open end pointing towards you, take one outside edge and fold it to the center crease. Repeat on the other side, making a kite shape. Flip it and do the same on the back. You're building layers. Time for the inside reverse fold. Gently pull the top flap up, open the sides a bit, and tuck it in. It gets easier with each try, I promise. Repeat on the other side and bam, you've got wings. Hold the wings and gently pull them apart to reveal the body. Fold the head down and you've just created your own origami crane. It's not just paper. It's a piece of Japanese culture right in your hands. Try making a whole flock and let your creativity fly. If you enjoyed this, drop a comment with what you want me to fold next. And remember, every masterpiece starts with just one fold.